Hi, my name is Luca. I'm the CTO of PAL Robotics. I supervise most of the development of our products and our technology, both from hardware point of view and software.
Hi, I'm Sai Kishore. I work as a senior robotics engineer here at PAL. I work with the humanoids team, developing the control algorithms and things that are necessary for the humanoid locomotion.
Hi, I'm Carlos Vivas. I'm the Chief Business Officer of PAL Robotics, and I'm here to help the company grow and have more robots around the world, helping more people.
My name is Francisco Martín Rico. I'm full professor at Juan Carlos University, and I am contributor of the ROS community with many packages as Plansis 2, which I am author.
ROS has been very important, and it is very important. We started using ROS since the beginning. Now it's a long time ago, and especially it was important for improving the capacity of our software team, because leveraging many of the libraries and tools that comes with ROS, we were able to develop better products and increase the reach of our product to academia and to industry.
Open source technology that can be shared with anybody in the world, it's I think nowadays a game changer, and it's also something that we need to do in a sustainable way, because nowadays it's not the moment to reinvent the wheel every time with every software. There's very good technology out there that we need to use and exploit in order to make better robots. That's the goal. So the open source community in robotics is super active. There's already a lot of developments out there, and let's work together to make something nice.
I think that the main benefits from migrating from ROS 1 to ROS 2 is having a more mature software, multi-platform software, capable to deal with things like security, and also it supposes more effort to the student, because they have to know a little bit more of programming and of managing the project. But I think it's okay. It's okay because they learn more and they are up to date, because in many places are still in ROS 1, but ROS 1 is end of life. So if our student migrates soon to ROS 2, as we did in our university, they will have a good position.
I've been in this community for like last 9 years, I would say. I've seen its growth, and I've seen it's cool that how you think that you have a limitation in one version, and you see that it's all someone has the same limitation and they have already fixed, but people are really trying to get there. Maybe you can also contribute to get it there. So it's like it's no one-man effort. It's like a like army or like a community of people doing the same effort to get things done.
Open source in Spain, I think that the ROS community in Spain is very strong. I think there are many people who are using open source in the academia, also in the industry. I think the industry in Spain has pushed a lot the open source community and the open source software.
PAL Robotics is involved in the ROS2 ecosystem in multiple ways. On one side, we are active in the contribution to software, so we provide bug fixing or new feature in existing open source packages in ROS2. At the same time, we participate to the events of the ROS2 community. So ROSCon conference that every year is organized, but also we are participating actively organizing a ROS conference in Spain, and also organize often meetups to have this exchange of ideas, or to put together the community that is around ROS2 in general and robotic software.